मजबूरी है, क्या करेंगे हम लोग? ऐसे जाना पड़ेगा हम लोग को।
15 minutes back, I got a call from my friend Anil that 18 people from Uttar Pradesh has started to walk again. So I have come to Navlur now to see where they are and maybe ask them to stay back because we have already arranged food for 10 days. And if they stay back here, I'll really take care of them. कहाँ जा रहे हो आप लोग? कितना किलोमीटर है यहाँ से?
2300 किलोमीटर है सर।
और कैसे जाने का प्लान है आप लोग का?
अभी हम लोग तो पैदल जा रहा है। अभी हमारे पास पैसा भी नहीं है, कुछ भी व्यवस्था नहीं है। तो गाँव जाना चाहता है, कुछ भी नहीं है, खाने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं है, पैसा भी नहीं है।
आप लोग कितने लोग हो?
हम लोग इस तरह 18 आदमी।
किसके लिए काम करते हो?
केजी कंपनी।
और वो उन लोग कुछ इंतजाम नहीं किया आप लोग का?
हम लोग तो क्या किया, बोला कि फार्म हम डाल दिया।
तनख्वाह मिल रहा है कि नहीं?
तनख्वाह भी हम लोग का काम बंद कर दिया है।
खाना
हम लोग को अभी जैसे सुबह खाया तभी खाना नहीं मिल रहा है।
और आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि आप लोग ये सब सामान उठा के निकल जाओगे 2500 किलोमीटर?
मजबूरी है, क्या करेंगे हम लोग? ऐसे जाना पड़ेगा हम लोग को।
I told them to stay and I will provide them food for 10 days. I will speak to the police and the Tahsildar on their behalf and arrange the transportation. But they are like, enough is enough. And they are not willing to listen to me. And they are going to mark a journey of 2,300 kilometers because they don't have food, water, shelter, and they have no money in their hand. Me and Anil, who is walking in the back, have come to meet those guys who started to walk from here to Uttar Pradesh by walk. So they were planning to walk 2,300 kilometers, but police did not allow them. So they are back. So we have come to meet them, talk to them, see if they need any supplies, and also make sure that they have registered for the train journey, which is provided by the government. And if they have not, then I will take care of it also.
मेड़ावाकम साइड से निकल रहे थे।
ठीक है।
और वहाँ पे पुलिस वाले रोकती है।
अच्छा।
फिर वहाँ से वो लोग लारी में बैठा के फिर इधर वापस घूम कर रिटर्न कर रहे थे।
अच्छा।
हमको काम करने का थोड़ा सा मन नहीं कर रहा है। हम लोग किसी तरह जबरदस्ती वही थोड़ा खाना खा रहे हैं, वही जबरदस्ती खाना खा रहे हैं, वो भी खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। हम लोग किसी तरह जाएंगे तो गाँव ही जाएंगे।
हम लोग बस गाँव जाना चाह रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं। हम लोग इस वजह से उस दिन निकले भी थे, फिर भी रिटर्न कर दिया हम लोग को।
अभी पुलिस चौकी में 3 बार कंप्लेंट डाला है। आज फ़ोन किया, बोला 22 तारीख को हमारा ट्रेन है।
So these are the people from Uttar Pradesh who started to walk to Gorakhpur, which is 2,300 kilometers from here. They are back. They say they don't feel like working, they don't feel like eating, and all they want is they want to go home. And for now, I have promised them the ration kit, and we have already ordered for them. But apart from that, they want to go home. And the bus transport guys are asking them 8,000 rupees, and they are like, 8,000 rupees, we can send it home, and that can be used for some other purpose. And they're all dependent on the government to provide them the train from here to Uttar Pradesh, Bengal, Bihar, or wherever they are from. So today we are having a registration drive where we are taking their name, Aadhaar card, and the number which they have got in their mobile phone. So that we can track their train. Now the problem is most of these people have given their Aadhaar card to the builders or to the contractor, and we do not know what this middleman wants. So I am doing it for them so that we can do it by ourselves, tracking their train as fast as possible so that they can go home. We have come here to the new KG campus to meet the guys from Uttar Pradesh who were seen walking. We have got them back and asked them to work for some days till we find the train for them to go back to Uttar Pradesh. And today I have got ration for them. I have also tracked their train status, and I think in another 2-3 days they'll be going home. And till then, whatever food supply is needed, I am providing them with rice, atta, masala and everything. We have ordered food for 40 people here. Now they are all at work, so we couldn't meet all of them individually. We are going to keep food in their shelter for today, and once they come back from work, they will have food to eat. आप लोग के साथ कोई लेडीज? This is another shelter in Talambur where about 40 people are there. They are from Uttar Pradesh. There are a lot of women, children, 2 years, 1 year old. And the living condition in this shelter is worse than any other shelter I have ever been to. And this is the shelter where you found... क्या हुआ? And this is the same shelter where the 18 of the Uttar Pradesh migrants were staying and they started to walk. We have provided them with ration for 10 days. सब गोरखपुर जा रहे हो ना?
थैंक यू सर।
अरे जब फोन रखे हो ना, कॉल करना हमको, तो मुझे कॉल करना, ठीक ना? "11 days back when we came to this camp, there were 340 people, and now there are only 29 people, and all these 29 people want to stay back here. They want to work here, and they are here by their own will. So it's good to see that you guys helped us to get them food for 10 days, arrange the transportation to their hometown, and make sure that they are happy here while they were staying here.